Karibu sana. Welcome to Materuni, a hidden paradise at the foot of Mount Kilimanjaro. Today we're exploring the breathtaking Materuni Waterfalls and diving into the rich tradition of Chagga coffee making. As we're trekking through Materuni village, every step tells a story. The Chagga people have lived here for generations, cultivating the land and preserving their traditions. The trails is alive with bird songs, fresh mountain air, and the promising of something spectacular ahead. And here it is, the majestic Materuni Waterfall. At nearly 90 meters high, it's one of the Kilimanjaro tallest and the most stunning waterfall. The water is crystal clear, fed by the mountain itself. Local believe it carries blessings, and many visitors take a refreshing dip to feel its energy. After the hike, it's time for another adventure. Coffee. Materuni is famous for its organic Arabica coffee, growing right here in the village. The Chagga people have perfected the art of coffee making, and today we get to join in the process. From picking ripe red cherries to roast over an open fire, every step is done by hand. The pounding of beans is accompanied by joyful songs, a tradition that turns coffee making into a celebration. Finally, the grounds are brewed into the rich, aromatic cup, the true tasty of Kilimanjaro. Materuni is more than just a waterfall or coffee tour. It's a journey into culture, community, and nature's beauty. When you visit, you don't just see Tanzania, you feel it. Asante sana for joining me today, and don't forget, every adventure tells a story.